Let me show you what maps and navigation looks like on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. So yep, compared to the past Fit 3, this actually gets full-blown maps, which is absolutely awesome. But first you actually need to download them. So go to your Huawei Health app over here, and in the Health app over here, click on your devices, click on your watch over here, then navigate to the offline maps over here, and click basically on regions over here and simply search basically for your country. Also make sure to download this global overview map, so this one, and also find your map for the country and any other country that you need. By the way, when it comes to map transfers, they're insanely slow, so I would advise you to simply leave maybe the display timeout like very long on your phone and keep your phone basically with the display on while this transfer, because I find if the display goes out and I close the app, the transfer often fails. So for example, to transfer this 100 megabyte map, it literally took me almost an hour. So again, the transfer process is incredibly slow and it's prone to crash. So again, this is what you have to know. I wish it was actually faster. So then, and if you want to use the map, so simply let's start our navigation over here. So when we start navigation, let's wait for GPS. Okay, let's click go. And essentially to access your map, all you really have to do is you have to swipe like this, so down. As you see, you actually have full-blown maps over here. And as you see, this is what actually they look like. So if we tap on the map, as you see, then I can also like zoom out and also zoom in. As you see, so we can actually see proper map over here, and also we can use our finger to like navigate around here. So again, make sure to download those global maps, otherwise it will give you errors that it can't basically go past the country borders essentially. So, and yeah, then for example, if I press this button over here, it brings me to the exact point over here. By the way, this watch also has this backtrack function, and yeah, overall I think it's extremely advanced. So if you want to use a backtrack function, so go like this. So this function appears, root back or straight line. So I guess root back basically will guide you in the same direction basically that you opened, and like the straight line option will give you guide basically in a straight line. So choose whatever you want. And again, so if you actually start to walk somewhere, so you will kind of get an idea where you actually need to go. So again, it's very useful over here. By the way, this watch also has got navigation as well, so it uses these petal maps, but actually to download them it's quite confusing because they're not available for most phones on the Android store. So for example, if I go in settings over here, click on this thing over here, so as you see, it asks to download this petal maps essentially. But for example, if I literally scan this code, so basically if I open, you see this is not compatible basically, and I see this pretty much with most phones. So why it's like this, so I have no idea. And you actually have to go basically download this app from some kind of third-party APK store. For example, I simply typed in Huawei petal maps basically in search, and so basically download it from over here essentially. And then once you download it, so we can open it up. Yep, let's install it. So again, we can use it as navigation tool as well, but we have to use this. We can't use Google Maps, for example. So let's see. So, and once we open it up, so let's click agree. Okay, and then simply literally just click somewhere. So okay, directions wherever, and let's click start. So once you click, at one point it will basically ask you to give permission to basically send these. So yeah, basically this prompt over here. And once you allow it, so yep, allow, as you see, it transferred basically to this watch, and you can basically see where you need to navigate turn by turn as well if you want to use this stuff. But again, installation of these petal maps again it's kind of weird, so that is the way how to do it. By the way, if you're wondering if the GPS accuracy is good on this watch, then yep, I can confirm it's absolutely insane. And again, it easily matches my other like 4 or 5 times more expensive watch. When it comes to GPS, it locks on incredibly fast, accuracy also very good, and again we literally get full-blown maps on this watch, which is absolutely awesome. Anyway, good luck.